Live XRP price developments. October 22nd. Japanese firm GUMI joins Ripple and SBI in Evernorth's XRP treasury deal. Cryptocurrency. Ripple. XRP. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. XRP steadies near 49 cents as GUMI Inc. partners with Ripple and SBI Group in Evernorth's treasury venture, indicating fresh institutional momentum in Asia. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 26 minutes ago. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Japan's gaming and blockchain company GUMI Inc. has joined SBI Group and Ripple in a private investment, PIPE, for Evernorth's XRP treasury business, expanding institutional participation in the token's ecosystem. The collaboration aims to strengthen XRP's role in cross-border settlement and corporate treasury operations, particularly across Asia's growing digital finance market. Industry observers view the move as a sign of renewed institutional alignment behind Ripple's infrastructure ambitions. XRP, $2.48-1.06% 24H730D1Y all-time. Meanwhile, XRP trades around 49 cents, struggling to reclaim the 50 cents mark after recent market-wide weakness. Technical analysts identify key support between $0.475 and 48 cents, with resistance at $0.515, suggesting consolidation may continue as traders digest the latest developments. Follow this page for live XRP price movements and ongoing updates on market reactions to the GUMI Ripple SBI partnership. XRP price developments. October 22nd. Live news and price updates. First Prev, one of two next last honest Hassan 27 minutes ago. XRP faces renewed pressure as analysts hashtag 2.00 support zone. Crypto analyst Ali Martinez has highlighted a critical near-term support level for XRP at $2, as the asset continues to decline following multiple failed attempts to sustain higher levels earlier in the year. The latest 3-day chart shows XRP trading at approximately $2.39, marking a 1.08% drop, and maintaining its long-standing pattern of oscillation between the $2 and $3.50 range. Throughout 2025, XRP has staged two major rallies, first in January to around $3.30, and again in July, peaking slightly above $3.50, both followed by steep corrections. The current breakdown below the $2.60 zone marks a retest of the lower end of its trading structure, where previous declines found buying strength. If XRP holds near $2, analysts anticipate possible stabilization, but a decisive break lower could open the door to further downside. Trading volume data suggests the decline remains orderly rather than panic-driven, with most movement aligning with broader crypto market retracements following Bitcoin's recent volatility. For now, XRP remains in a technically defined range, and the $2 mark stands as a critical level to watch for confirmation of either renewed buying interest or a deeper correction. Hassan 2 hours ago XRP liquidation heatmap reveals key price pressure zones. New data from CoinGlass highlights significant liquidation clusters across the XRP market, suggesting heightened trader activity around the $2.30 to $2.60 range. The liquidation heatmap shows dense liquidity zones, areas where leveraged positions could be forced to close if prices move sharply in either direction, indicating that traders are heavily concentrated around current market levels. The chart also reveals notable liquidation walls near $2.40, suggesting this level may act as a short-term pivot point. A sustained move above this threshold could trigger short liquidations and drive upward momentum, while a dip below may pressure long positions. Market participants are watching these zones closely as volatility builds ahead of key macroeconomic data releases. Hassan 3 hours ago Ripple executives unite behind XRP's institutional push. Ripple's top leadership has collectively reaffirmed confidence in XRP's role within institutional finance, marking one of the strongest coordinated endorsements of the asset to date. CEO Brad Garlinghouse, co-founder Chris Larsen, CTO David Schwartz, Chief Legal Officer Stuart Alderety, and Evernorth CEO Ashish Birla have all expressed a unified vision centered on XRP's expanding utility in capital markets and DeFi. The statements coincided with the launch of Evernorth, an XRP-focused investment vehicle aimed at bridging institutional liquidity with decentralized finance. Garlinghouse highlighted Ripple's investment partnership in Evernorth alongside major firms such as SBI Holdings, Pantera Capital, Kraken, GSR, and RippleWorks, while Larsen disclosed his own $50 million XRP investment to back the initiative. Larsen described Evernorth as the missing link in XRP capital markets, while Schwartz, joining as a strategic advisor, emphasized its role as a regulated, scalable vehicle for institutional XRP participation. Alderety reinforced XRP's regulatory clarity in the U.S., citing it as a key reason for growing institutional adoption. Birla concluded that XRP represents a rare opportunity, given its deep liquidity and proven global payment utility. Hassan 3 hours ago XRP's MVRV ratio signals potential final upside phase. On-chain data for XRP indicates that the asset could be entering what some analysts describe as its final leg in the current market cycle. Based on its market value to realized value, MVRV, ratio trend from 2015 to 2025. The MVRV ratio, which measures how far the market price has moved above or below the average acquisition cost of tokens, is commonly used to identify overbought or undervalued zones. Historical data shows that each time XRP's MVRV ratio approached similar levels, it preceded major price reversals or rallies. The pattern suggests that the asset may be approaching a critical point, potentially setting up for another significant move, depending on market sentiment and macroeconomic factors. Hassan 4 hours ago analyst targets suggest potential upside for XRP as market eyes key Fibonacci levels. Market analysts have outlined possible Fibonacci retracement targets for XRP, pointing to potential price levels of $8, $13, and $27, should bullish momentum resume in the broader crypto market. These targets are derived from technical chart patterns that measure potential extension zones following major breakouts, often used by traders to anticipate long-term price movements. XRP has maintained steady trading activity amid renewed investor focus on utility-driven tokens and ongoing developments in Ripple's institutional payments ecosystem. While these Fibonacci projections are speculative, they indicate growing technical interest around XRP's potential upside if broader market conditions remain favorable and liquidity continues to build across major exchanges. First Prev 1 of 2 next last. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions, Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference, Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Ripple's $1 billion XRP treasury sends social metrics soaring. According to Lunar Crush Metrics, China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Pepe by the end of 2025. Major online platforms face outages amid AWS disruption, Coinbase among those affected. XRP price prediction. Bullish options spike signals massive altcoin rotation from BTC/ETH to XRP and SOL. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Examining on-chain metrics after ETH posts solid 24H and 7D gains. For days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple by the end of 2025. 20 hours ago, by Tim Hackey. Bitcoin news. Trump insider whale who scored $160 million in BTC route opens $76 million Bitcoin short at 10x leverage. 2 days ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 5 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 15 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 4 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 37 minutes ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 8 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.